Hello, hi guys. See what I have. I have the world's smallest RC in my hands. My god, only 132. 132 size, So this is mini high speed RC car, and this thing I ordered from banggood.com, and this car is so small, so it can fit in this small box. It's like a mobile phone. So let me open this box quickly, and oh, okay, what is inside the box? Ooh, me, look at the size of this car. Nice packing. Wow, see? My god, so small. I think this is broken. No, that's it. Yes, just like this, huh? Oh my god, so small, so tiny little car. This is the remote. This is the user manual, and this is the charger for the battery, for the smallest battery in the world. My god, 2.4 gigahertz, 132, smallest RC car. So just let me check, is there any power inside? But I think I have to put some cells. Look at the size, so small. There are some shockers. You see here, see, check, shocks. Oh, so small. Oh my god, it's like, see, the palm of my hand. See, so small. Hello, hi guys. So now I'm back, and I'm totally shocked by checking the speed of this small beast. This is a pure value of money. I pay only $15, and this car simply impressed me a lot. See, check the speed, guys. I thought this is just a small toy, but you can control the speed. See, like slow, oh fast, too fast. Oh my god, 3 speeds. See, 1, 2, 3. My god. So this is a good performance by this small car, but there is no proportional steering. But in $15, this is good product, And see this, check the speed. Oh, see the power. And this thing you can charge by USB. Now I will show you a little bit here. And yes, see, go check, small thing, this small car. Oh, see, oh, the donuts. It can reverse also, see. Ready to jump. Oh. Ooh. So powerful. Cute little RC 132 size. So fast. For playing with this, you need a good place. You need a big place. This thing is fast. This little car. Oh, see? Look at the performance of this small RC. Oh, good. Check the speed, guys. Oh, fast. It's not a four-wheel drive, but it's still moving fine. Ooh. Look at this small thing. Burner. What a performance. This small thing.